Hi everybody, today it's going to be a quick insight and an unboxing of the cheapest crossbow money can buy. This literally only cost me, I think it was about 15 quid, give or take. I don't know how much that is in other currencies, but 15 quid this cost. So what do you get in the box? So what it is a £50. The stock is plastic. Its width is 42 centimeters. That's on the actual recurve. Length is 32.5 centimeters long. Weight is 0.88 pound. And it can fire a bolt at 150 feet per second. It uses the same bolts as my other crossbow, which I've got here. It uses the same bolts as this one, which you've seen in all my videos, and pretty much they're the same bolts as what you get. Right, let's have a look. Get it out. Right, so pretty much what you get, which is daft, I think, because these, for some reason, I know, yes, they're different colours, but they're the same tips. Can you see? Same tips as the other ones, but these are like a nylon, like a plastic. So that's them. They're so different because obviously what you can buy with other ones, where these are actually aluminium with a plastic fin on them. Right, what do you get? Plastic in the way. So effectively, what you get in the bag, you get, if I can open it, pretty much you get everything here. Get rid of that. So you get your string, which obviously you know about. You get your ends that go on. You get this little bit of rubber, plastic, that obviously must go behind this, which is your recurve. Put a styrene all over it. So this is effectively an unbox, a build and a shoot of this, just so I can get an idea on it. And it actually says on it, not to be sold below 18 years of age, for sports use only. It's made in Taiwan. Yeah, don't know if you can see it. It's made in Taiwan. Oh well. Totally different than this one, because this one is, I think, made in somewhere or other. I don't think it's Taiwan. Oh yeah, there will be a video of comparing, obviously, the cheapest to moderate, which is like this. You can get more expensive. I'm not that far to get that kind of stuff yet. At the back, it tells you how to build it. So I'm going to follow these and I'm going to build it on camera to show you how easy it is or how hard it might be. Right, so assembly, what it says is, hold it like this, forward, that slides through there, and then it goes like that. It says here, insert bow into stop, making sure the pressure pad is in place between the bow and bow retaining screw. Right. Now then, it's known how even it is though, you know, because it's got a curve, a natural curve in it. There's obviously like a ridge inside it, it should be there, this then slides in it. Not that you can see on camera, but that bit of plastic slides in. So obviously the recurve goes in first. You can see the indentation here. So that goes in first, and then that goes in second. Oh, sorry everybody, I've done that the wrong way around. So it goes that way on. Yep, like that. And then that's where you get your curve. And then you get this little grub screw. And then that winds into the middle of it. Right, and then you use obviously the Allen key. Sorry, you can't see it. Use the Allen key to tighten it in place. Make sure you get it as even as physically possible for the recurve. As even as possible. It'll never be perfect, but you want it as square as you physically can get it. And then tighten this up. Not too tight though. You want it tight, but you don't want it too tight. If you over tighten it, you can cause problems to your bow, to your crossbow, sorry. So I'm gonna loosen it off a bit. It's a little bit too tight for me. And I'm going to give it just a little nip, and then that should have it. Would you believe it? I can't find the hole. Funny as anything. Lovely. Right, so then that's the frame of it set up. Next thing, what it tells you is tighten it down using the screw and Allen key. It says do not over tighten. That's done, haven't over tightened it. Apply the method illustrate attaching the bowstring to the retaining guides on each of the bow. Right, this is the funny bit because it's known which way they actually go, which way, because there's two different ways on actually, I don't know if you can see it, two different ways on how these actually attach. So the best thing to do, if you're unsure, have a look at the front of the box and it will show you which way it goes. So according to the picture on the front of the box, the forward facing parts go forward. So they go in there as far as you can physically get it. Same with the other side, you get another one as far as you can get it. Right, shift that out of the way. This bit is where it gets fun. This bit is a nightmare to put on. Right, so that hooks over one, because it's so tight. It's unbelievable how tight they actually are. Right, and then the other side goes in. I might have to try and flex this over a bit. It was a bit of a pig on the last one to put on. And then because the last one was an absolute pig to put on. Now I can see why people don't do many unboxing videos of these, because they're an absolute nightmare to put on. Ow, I'm gonna have to get on my knees here to do this. How I had to do the last one is I had to literally put it between my legs to bend it in place, you know, was how I had to do the last one. Right, getting there with it. Whew. Jesus, that took some graft. That took some graft. Whew. Wow, that took some effort. Whew. But as you can see, it's on. And then to basically load it, what you do is you pull that back till it locks, sliding it forward, safety off, which is on the side, and then fire. Yeah, which is basic principle on. Right, so to load it, pull this back till it's back. Safety is on the side, which is there, as you can see it. So for some reason on this, the safety is never on. So to put it on, you push forward and that will stop it firing. Take it off and that will fire it. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over and I'm going to do a few shots with it, with these plastic things, these plastic ones, and then we'll go from there with it. I'll see you in a bit. Right everybody, I'm back. I'm going to do a few shots with it, see what I think of it, and then it's up to you and what you want to do. Well, this is good so far, isn't it? This is good so far. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try it with an aluminium board. See what that does, because to me, I think it's a bit too cheap for me in comparison to the other ones, but I don't know, like, but that's an unboxing of it. See what you think. If you want to buy it, you can do. They're fairly cheap, you can get them from anywhere. I bought this one from Tactical Archery. You can get them from Amazon, might be a little bit cheaper. So whatever you think. Me personally, if you wanted a pistol crossbow, it's not the best one to start with. Go for something a bit more expensive, and then it's better, more quality. But everyone to their own. Get what you can afford. But me personally, not really for me. Right, I'll see you later. Just, if you like the video, brilliant, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, do that as well. The more helps. Right, I shall see you later.